Civil society leaders, religious leaders, and the president are both publicly expressing a desire for peace, yet little progress is made. It's essential to look deeper into where the real delays and obstacles lie. By activist, Da term Maniang Gatwek. Potential actors delaying the resolution. 1. Political elites and rival factions. Power struggles between President Salva Kiir and opposition leaders like Riek Machar have repeatedly undermined peace agreements. Lack of political will to implement key reforms, such as security arrangements, transitional justice, or constitutional reviews, suggests that some leaders may benefit from the status quo. 2. Spoilers within government or armed groups. Elements within the military or political parties may resist reforms due to fear of losing power, influence, or facing justice. Local warlords or militias, not under full control of national leaders, can act as spoilers by continuing violence. 3. External actors. Some regional powers or international players might be pursuing their own interests, e.g., arms deals, resource extraction, rather than pressuring for accountability and democratic governance. 4. Weak institutions and corruption. The judiciary, parliament, and other accountability mechanisms are often too weak, underfunded, or politically captured to enforce reforms or protect human rights. Corruption drains resources meant for peace building and undermines trust in leadership. 5. Lack of inclusive dialogue. Often, civil society voices, women, youth, and grassroots communities are marginalized in peace processes. Without genuine inclusion, the solutions proposed may lack legitimacy or sustainability. So, who is delaying the resolution? It's not one person or institution alone, it is a combination of political elites, weak governance, and insufficient pressure from both inside and outside South Sudan. Civil society may want change, and the president may say he wants peace, but actions speak louder than words. Until there is genuine political will, inclusive national dialogue, accountability for abuses, and implementation of peace agreements,